everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this crochet purse for credit cards or something else. I use the Velcro as a fastening, but you can use any other type of fastening. And this purse size is perfect for credit cards or other cards, but you can make what size of the purse you need. It's simple to make it. So if you need a wider or higher purse, it's easy to make. So I will show you, I will tell you how to do it later. So let's get started. I've used this type of yarn. It's called macaroni. It's 100% polypropylene, 200 grams, 230 meters. But you can use any other type of yarn. It's up to you. And I used 3.5 millimeters crochet hook for this yarn. If you will use a different yarn, you must adjust the size of the hook to your yarn. Next, what you'll need is measuring tape, pair of scissors and pins with a large head. Okay, I'm going to start with the slip knot and then chain 41. Okay, I made 40 chains. Now I have to make one more chain. And then we are going to make single crochets, and you will make one single crochet in each chain. But if you turn it like this, we will use just this loop. So start in the second loop. So this is chain. And when you turn it like this, you can see the second loop here. It's the loop behind the chain. So if you will use just this loop, you will have nicer edge of this purse. So make one single crochet into each this loop across. I'm at the end of the first row, and here is the last loop where I have to make last single crochet of this row. Always at the end of each row, chain one and turn. In the second row, make one single crochet in each stitch and start in very first stitch and make first single crochet. So this is first single crochet of this row, and then make one single crochet in each stitch across. Now you can see you have 2 stitches left, so I have to make 2 single crochets, and this is last stitch, and this is last single crochet of the second row. Then chain 1 and turn. And from this third row you will always start to make first single crochet, not in the first stitch but in the second stitch. So make first single crochet in this stitch. And you have to do it always on this side. So if you are not sure, you can say for yourself there is no starting tail. So on this side where is not starting tail, you will always start in the second stitch and make 1 single crochet in each stitch across. And on the other side where is the starting tail, you will start to make first single crochet of the row in the first stitch. And I'm going to make 17 rows. Okay, this is how it looks like, and now it will be easy. Just fold this side like this, and then you have to sew both sides. So it's better to leave the starting tail longer and use it for sewing. And I recommend you to use stitch markers and count the stitches. Then you can sew both sides together and use simple stitch or your favorite stitch for sewing. Okay, if you finish it, you have to sew also the other side of purse, and then you have to hide the tail inside the purse. You can burn the end of this yarn with a lighter and press it. And now you have to turn it inside out, or you can leave it like this if you want. It's up to you. And that's all. Now you have to sew the Velcro or any other fastening, and you have done your purse. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and I will look forward at the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and see you soon. Bye.